What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to yet another Stews by Christian video. And today's video will be eating burgers. So if you watch Stews by Christian, thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share the video. And just watch me eating some burgers. This is all the way in Borodale. It tastes similar to McDonald's.
So
Yo, this is huge. Look at this. Look at how
so
big this
big.
is. For like cheese and then oh, this is jalapeno.
Are those not pickles?
Isn't this jalapeno?
No, it's pickles, babe.
Oh, pickles. Oh, okay. Right.
Moment of truth. You're so framka. Is it not like dripping?
It's not dry.
Oh, it's not dry.
Yeah. Definitely not dry. Yeah, the cheese. The cheese is
You got a better burger, bruh. You really got a better burger than me.
ooh, that
Then
looks juicy.
I dropped my piece of meat.
5 minutes, come on.
Okay. Yeah, I guess. But it's small.
Take a
it's
huge
not-
bite. A huge bite. Aye, that was a small,
I'm a lady.
shy bite.
I'm a lady. Yeah, it's alright. Tastes like any other burger.
Just like a normal burger. How many patties do they have?
It's true, but thin.
Let's see. Oh, 2 thin patties.
Yeah. I don't like how their lettuce is cut like this.
This is the spicy chicken sambo, which is just a chicken burger. If you guys like chicken burger with the actual chicken as the meat there, that's the best. Then just comment down below if you actually love the chicken, not them taking the chicken, grinding it, and then bringing it just like a chicken patty. That's nice as well, but the actual chicken on the burger, that is nice. You can see by the bites that I'm taking there that no, this guy, no man, this guy was enjoying. Look at that. Hey, yo, the chicken on the burger, that's nice. That's the best burger. Next up, we went to this amazing place called Birds at 30. This place houses a lot of different species of birds and fish as well. This place is like $15 entrance. We couldn't get inside because we were running late, so we could only see them from the entrance. So we managed to get a few birds and the age and all of that for you guys. I even played with one of them. So sit back, get your popcorns, and watch other earth animals. Lovely animals. Which one? Oh. Pelican.
I've never seen
That's a
something
pelican.
That's a koi fish.
Koi fish, huh? Yeah. Those are expensive.
Yeah, they are. Yeah.
Oh, mama duck. They get it so excited.
White swan.
Oh, I wish I brought my little brother.
So this beautiful animal changes color depending on its mood, white, pink, or anything it wants. Let's go play with the big man.
Does it fly? Jeez.
27 years.
Yeah, there are two.
Wow.
Yeah,
Oh,
27 years. Yo.
Whoa, he's so big. He looks, she or he looks like they're pregnant, right? Oh, no, I thought you told you got stuff. Oh, look at the bird. He decided to just crash the party.
thinking like there's food.
So as you heard, apparently that yellowfish is actually 27 years old, and it's one of the oldest. You've now reached the end of the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for staying this long. Thank you very much for supporting Stills by Christian. Thank you very much for watching Stills by Christian. I'll be bringing you more videos, and please subscribe to the channel so that we can be able to bring you more videos, so that we are motivated to bring you more videos. Danko.